Welcome back. We will continue from here. The QRS complex in standard ECG represents, this is a straightforward question, QRS is depolarization of ventricles. So let's use this question as an opportunity to revise the whole topic. The machine which helps you record the electrical activity is called electrocardiograph. On the other hand, the graphical representation of electrical activity of the heart during a cardiac cycle is called electrocardiogram. So patient is connected to the machine via 3 electrical leads, 2 on each wrist and 1 on left ankle. This is the electrocardiogram representing different peaks: P wave, QRS wave, T wave. So number 1, P wave represents depolarization of atria. This is followed by contraction of atria. So there is a time delay between these two events. The reason is electrical signals, they travel very fast compared to actual contractions of muscle. So QRS peak represents depolarization of ventricles. And just like atria, contractions of ventricle will begin after the Q wave. The contraction starts shortly after Q. Then T wave represents return of the ventricles from excited to normal state. And end of T wave indicates end of ventricular systole. So how does ECG helps to determine the heartbeat? You simply have to count the number of QRS complexes in a given period of time. So this is important. ECG obtained from different individuals have roughly the same shape. Okay, this is the basis of diagnosis, and any deviation in the peaks will indicate any abnormality in heart functions. So let's quickly revise it. P wave indicates depolarization of both atria. Atrial systole begins after P wave. QRS wave indicates depolarization of both ventricles. Ventricular systole begins after Q wave. T wave indicates repolarization of ventricles. Which wave indicates repolarization of atria? There is no wave because the repolarization of atria is masked by massive QRS wave. What does small t wave indicates? It indicates coronary ischemia. So this is the P wave of next cycle. So what does TP interval indicates? It indicates that heart is electrically silent.